We have 75 minus 25 plus 23. We can show the operations this way. So, 75 minus 25 is 50 plus 23, it's 73. 45 plus 21 minus 36. The answer is 30. Lastly, we have 18 minus 7 plus 25. The answer is 36. That ends our discussion about order of operations. See you on our next episode. Again, this is Teacher Cristel, and God bless us all.